Good morning. Today we are going to learn the properties of determinant. Property number 1. The value of the determinant remain unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. See, they are speaking about value of the determinant is not changed. When it is not changed means when the rows and columns are interchanged. First let us write what is the value of the determinant. Let determinant is equal to a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Now for this, let us write the value of the determinant. So determinant is equal to, now take the first one, expanding along the row wise. First row let us do here. So for the doing this value of determinants, we have to take this first element means that row and the entire column we have to leave, and the second order determinant we have to take for collecting the values here. So for this one, that is minus 1 of first place is 1 plus 1 a1 of b2 b3 c2 c3. Next place plus minus 1 of 1 plus 2 a2. Leave this column and this row so that remaining this 4 will be there, b1 b3 c1 c3, plus next one minus 1 of this place is 1 3, so 1 plus 3 a3 of, so this row and this column we have to leave, the remaining 4 we have to take, b1 b2 c1 c2. Now see here, this is equal to, now minus 1 of 1 plus 1 is 2, so minus 1 of square will become plus here, so a1 of, multiply these two, b2 c3 minus c2 b3. Next plus minus 1 of 3 is there, so minus 1 whole power 3 means minus here, so this minus a2 of, multiply these two, b1 c3 minus c1 b3. Next here minus 1 whole power 4, so this becomes plus here, here a3 of, cross multiply b1 c2 minus, multiply these two, c1 b2. Now this is the value of this determinant. Now what they have said, interchanging the rows and columns. The row we have tried it as column, column we have tried it as row. So interchanged, let us take it as determinant 1 is equal to, now interchange it, a1 a2 a3. The first row we have written in column, b1 b2 b3. Next c1 c2 c3. Now this is interchanging the rows and columns. Now let us find the value of the determinant. Now determinant is equal to minus 1 of 1 plus 1 for the first place, a1 of, now multiply b2 c3 minus b3 c2. Next minus next element b1. See, either we can do it in row wise also, we can do it in column wise also. Now let us check in this column wise also. See, column wise if I check here, minus 1 of, see this place is 2 1, so 2 plus 1 a2. Now this row I have to leave, this column I have to leave. So this row and column means these 4 elements will be there, that is b1 c3 minus next these two b3 c1. Next third element we can take plus minus 1 of, this place is 3 plus 1 So 3 plus 1 A3 of, now A3 means this row and this column I have to leave. This row means only these 4 elements will be there, that is cross multiply B1 C2 minus, next is B2 C1. Now minus 1 whole square, that becomes plus here. So A1 of B2 C3 minus B3 C2. Here minus 1 of whole cube, so minus A2 of B1 C3 minus A3 C1. Here minus 1 of whole power 4 is there, so become plus here A3 B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Now let us value of this determinant 1 and determinant, let us compare here. See that this value and this value are exactly equal. Here minus A2 of B1 C3 minus C1 B3. Here also A2 of B1 C3 minus B3 C1. Only these interchange is there, plus A3 B1 C2 minus C1 B2 multiplication both will be same only. So therefore these values are equal here. So I can say that determinant is equal to determinant 1. Now what we have done here, see this. See what we have done here is interchanges of this entire row and entire row as entire column here. That is changing the entire row and entire column means the name for this is transpose of this. If it is matrix, then we will say it is transpose of matrix. That is determinant of this is equal to determinant of this, the dash. See here, this is equal to this one. Why? This transpose is there, so determinant value is also same here. So both are equal.